ants. Small but mighty, are renowned for their remarkable work ethic and efficiency. These industrious insects possess a highly organized social structure, with each member assigned specific roles and responsibilities. From foraging and gathering food to tending to the needs of the colony, ants work in perfect harmony. Through chemical communication, they coordinate their efforts seamlessly, ensuring the survival and prosperity of their community. Ants showcase the power of collaboration, showcasing the strength that lies in unity. Their dedication and persistence serve as a reminder of the importance of hard work and cooperation in achieving goals.